So to begin, let's build our very own maintenance window. And to do that, let's head over to the Maintenance Window Manager. Just by heading up to Administration and Maintenance Windows, we can start to build. And within the Maintenance Windows Manager, we can enable to view, create, edit, and delete proactive device level maintenance windows. And what you'll see up at the top is Add Maintenance Window. Now we have the following fields to enter in for our current and future maintenance windows. The only fields that are mandatory are name, start and end time, and devices. So let's first give our maintenance window a name. Next is notes, and that's any additional information we'd like to add when configuring our maintenance window. After that is start time and end time, any date in the future, since we are only looking at our proactive device level maintenance windows. And if we'd like to set this in the far-flung future, we can just click the drop down right here and select a different date. From there, we'll just have to choose which devices this maintenance window will apply to. And we can select either one or multitude of particular devices. Last, we can select the actions, and there's two actions that we can choose from. Suppress alert emails during the maintenance window, which is to trigger alerts without sending email notifications. And then last, distinguish alerts within the maintenance window. Basically, we can tag alerts in a maintenance window and count the severity level at info. So any tagged alerts are used to distinguish between normal alerts and maintenance window alerts within the alert summary and the alerts reports. Once we do that, we can then create our maintenance window. Now, one last thing to keep in mind when it comes to maintenance windows is if I try to go back and edit, I can only edit the name, the note, and the end time for a particular maintenance window. So I can't actually go back and say, set something for a particular maintenance window back in March. Say we already did something, maintenance windows is new to this particular customer. What we can't do is go back and save it and then tag previous alerts that have happened within SevOne and cap them as info as if a maintenance window already exists. We can only do current alerts. So remember, we're only focusing on proactive device level maintenance windows. So we cannot actually go back and save the start time to something in the past. Now, if I go and try to save this, I'll actually get an error back from SevOne stating that my maintenance window start time has already passed. So again, only name, notes, and end time can I actually change.